Good morning. We are doing something very exciting today, but first we have to go get coffee. Which is kind of ironic because the thing we're doing involves coffee, but it's fine. Don't ask questions. I just flew back from New York last night, so I am very jet lagged. So if I seem a little dead, it's because I haven't been home in a week, so that's why. We got the goods. Considering how much coffee I drink, I actually don't know anything about it. So I just bought beans that sounded good, and we're gonna try them and see what happens. So this espresso machine arrived last week while I was away. So I've been dying to open this box for like 4 days now. This was a Christmas gift, so I actually don't know exactly what's in the box. I just know that it's green. I asked for a green one, obviously, because that's my favorite color. Also the color of Sunday Rituals, our like main brand colors. So I know it's green, I know it's a Breville. I have no idea anything else. So we're gonna run into Whole Foods, grab some milk, and see if maybe they have some like coffee syrups or something fun. If not, I'll order some online later, but that's the sitch. So milk, coffee syrups, we have coffee beans. I think that's all we need. And then I get to go open this box and I can't wait to show you whatever's in it.